Sup? Good morning. Let's go. Let's get it cracking. Mm-mm-mm. Let me see. Where is it thing? Oh my goodness. Mm-mm-mm. Alrighty. Yesterday was a doozy, guys. What is today gonna bring us? We're about to find out. Yeah, we are. Trying to see something here. All right. As you know, SPY was taking yesterday. I don't know which one am I looking for. Um, I think that's the one I want. Yeah. So right now it's hitting the last level in the order block. So let's see if we can. I don't want that bar dark. Oh my God, it's pouring. All right, let's see what it's gonna do right here. It came down all the way to 670, and we are waiting to see some things here. Hold on. All right, I would not jump into SPY QQQ just yet, or to for puts just yet. Just let it give it a second. That's not what. There we go. That's what I want. All right. Nope. All right. Here we go. Um, all right. We are just waiting for two ATR bars to come through here. And the 12-minute and the 15-minute. Okay. As you can see, it's pulling up here. All right. Mm, okay. It's 9:34, and we're just waiting patiently, guys. Yesterday it dropped a ton. So don't be surprised if SPY pops up today, or it could throw us a doozy and go even further, if we're being honest. Not really sure what it's gonna do. Let's see. I was in the lab yesterday playing with this indicator. I'm not sure if you guys know about delta cumulative, but I do love it. And I want to show you guys how cool it is. I can. Let's see if it lets me. Let's see if it lets me do it. Copy. Paste. Oh, there it is. Look at this, guys. This is so cool. If y'all know about delta, cumulative delta, it is so bomb. I want to take these flips off of it though. But basically it shows you what it shows you how many buyers are in each candle on the higher time frame. It's so bomb. It's definitely a little bit more advanced, but I do love it. Look at this. So bomb. Right? So when 3 bars are like that, it's showing selling pressure. Right? So as you can see right here, we have the buys. So look, I'm gonna switch it to a buy. And when you see all of these in threes, that usually means it's hugely bullish. So you want to wait until you can get into um, something that has all 3 big green, and that usually means it's going to keep going up. Oh, so amazing, so freaking amazing! This is what I was in the lab doing yesterday. Love it. And it helps you decide, like, dang, is this a good trade to get into or not? And I like it. So we're just waiting right now for um, just to see what our next move is going to be with our blocks, right? So we're just on a higher time frame to make it look a little easy. See what our next play is. Oh, Palantir is probably going to go to 157, guys. Looks good. Ooh, I love Palantir. Love it. And right now it's getting up out of the range. So it's 937. And Spy is still figuring its life out. But I do like Palantir, guys. It's 9:37 though, so I'm just trying to be patient, let the first few minutes go by. Palantir does look strong though. And it's getting to the end of the week, which makes the contracts more feasible. Look, $2. We got a $57 contract for 160 call. And boop. Swear to God, I love this, guys. Like, if y'all didn't wake up thinking about trading, you might want to rethink trading is not for you. I swear, I'm like, oh my God, what can I look at now today? See right here how, oh my God, I'm telling you, y'all don't understand. Look up Delta. Look up Delta. And I'm an AK and I'm still over here like, Delta's the bomb. Okay. Yes, but when you see these 3, that means do not get in the trade. When you see this, that means there's an 80% chance it'll keep going. Let's look at Oxy. Oh my God, but I do love Palantir. I do. I ain't gonna lie. I like it, and I think I'm gonna do like a little tester on it. I do love Palantir. I think it could get to 157 just based on what Delta's doing. I mean, it's just super strong. Like, why not? Why not give it a go, right? Why freaking not? And let me go ahead and go to the weekly chart and draw out some lines here. Look, so Palantir has a probability of probably getting to 168 in the next week, right? So if you guys are interested in somewhat of a trade, maybe March 20th, you could do one, oh my God, like you could totally do a 170 call for $81. What? $40. Yep. I like that a lot. I like an $81 situation. Why not? And Palantir is my baby. Why not? Why not give it a go? See, baby, I'm in love. You see that? Bam. You see this? Puts. Crazy work. I'm in Palantir, upset 11% on the 160 call. Shut your mouth. So this delta should really help you guys. So if it's 3, don't touch. If it's big bars, hello. Come on now. I love trading. Y'all gotta know my energy is real about this. Y'all know I'm the Palantir princess too. That's my baby for sure. Word. Sorry, guys. One moment. Somebody's at the door. I don't know who it could be. Um, mm, okay, let's look at shop. I'm just telling y'all, I'm blown right now. So again, we see spy not doing anything. We ain't touching it if it's like mixed message. Look at this. Shop. If they pop up 3, I'm done. Oh my gosh. What is this? OMG. I can't even deal right now, bro. Talk about a game changer. Talk about a game changer. Let's see what Palantir is back doing. We like shop. All right, so spy starting to get 3, but again, we're waiting for it to get to this area because we don't know what it's gonna do. All right, Palantir. What's Palantir doing? All right, it just hit the range box. Is it gonna push up? We do not know, but I did get in for one next week. Just letting y'all know what I did for the 20th. Yep. So hopefully Palantir will come through, show us good. Okay, so now let's see what we got going. We still, so if SPY breaks, let's go down to a lower time frame here. What we're doing is waiting for SPY to break this level. 3 bars popped up red, but it still needs to show me a breakage here. Like just because it's red anywhere doesn't mean that's it. You got to look for a level. Okay. Let's see what we do. I swear, if Spy goes get some puts, I'll be like, what? I mean, it just depleted yesterday. See what IWM's talking about. Mm, shaking my head. Every time I hear SMH, I'm like shaking my head. I decided to turn the audible on for those who be walking around doing things, maybe can't necessarily watch the screen. You can at least hear what tickers are popping up. Okay. All right. So we have a few more dollars. If it can break this Keltner channel, let me tell y'all where it's going. It's going down here to 667 and then 665. So that's what I'm looking for to see if it can break this 669 level. If it can, we're looking for some puts all the way down here. That's going to be interesting to see for sure. Thank you, God. I didn't do my prayer as I jumped in. Thank you guys so much for showing us what tickers to get into, how to get our at least $1 a day if we're new traders and we don't know what we're doing. We just want to build our confidence and trust in you and showing us not to get in because we're greedy. We chase things because we have no discipline. We want all the things. We want discipline. We want patience. And we're so grateful that you give it to us every day in this platform, even if it's just for an hour, so it can set us up to be the best people we're supposed to be. Thank you so much for bringing trading in our life to help us be better because it will make you be better for sure. Anything you put your mind to, you'll be better. So I just want to say thank you for health, wealth, abundance, all that, and bless everybody on here today. Amen. Let's go. All right. SLB. All right. So, okay, SQQQ is popping up. So that does mean that there is likelihood. Again, I'm in Palantir for next week, guys. Next week, because it does look solid for at least next week. But if not, I will probably get out. I don't know, 151. That would be okay. But because this is a swing failure pattern, so it may not pop back up today. Who knows? But we'll just give it a go. I'm gonna let it get to this seller's block, this buyer's block and see what it does. If it can't hold that, then I will just get into another position later for next week. But it does look good. Now this looks good, guys, for SPY. I like it for 665, but we're on a 45-minute chart. So let's see here. This is where the first level stops, and then this is where the second level stops. Okay. All right, guys. Let's go. Are we doing puts or what? Give it, if you don't want to lose a lot, just put in for a little bit on SPY. Mm-hmm. 'Cause it's a doozy. Hilarious. It ain't like you touch it. Oh, SPY puts. Let's go. Go SPY. Y'all ain't SPY puts. I don't know what y'all not doing, but whatever. Can't tell you what to do with your life, but I can tell you it's looking really rough. Oh my God, yo. What the hell? Okay, guys. All right. So we got SPY possibly going to 667 today before it turns around. Mm-mm-mm. If y'all trade futures, it might be a good look. Hmm. So it's 9:49. So if you're comfortable, wait until 10 o'clock to see what SPY is going to do. But it's definitely looking a little putishy. See. Let's see. All right. Waiting patiently to see SPY movement. See if it continues to go down. It just hit a small order block on the 10-minute chart. See what we doing. Yesterday was crazy dump. Let's go. Okay, XLE is going up. And you know what that means. When energy goes up, SPY has a tendency to go down. So we're waiting to see what the next play is going to be. Oops, I didn't mean to go MES. See here. And that's on a 3-minute chart. Let's go back to 15. So it just hit this order block. So we're going to wait and be patient and see how it's going to fare out. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, guys. What's SPY doing? Does it have any kind of strength yet? Is it just going to push through? SPY is just putting. Shout out to anybody who held SPY overnight. Again, on a lower time frame, we have, oh, that's MES futures. Okay, possibly going to 667 on SPY, guys. Okay, CBX, COP, energy's moving up. What's IWM doing? Yep, IWM is falling too. Let's get on IWM. So if you don't have a lot of money, IWM always works. Always works. Let's try to get you $1. There, you should be able to get $1 today through at least one put, even if it's a tester, a little tester deal. IWM seems like it's probably going to go to 240 L, 246. All right. We'll see. I like SPY puts at least to 667 by the end of the day. If it doesn't flip on us, we're just being patient, praying for it to just keep going down. And we got IWM doing his thing. Delta candles are all red. They are not playing. I'm telling you, the market is mad as pie, but y'all know it's quadruple witching, guys. So that means quadruple witching is the banks are really tanking this out so they can buy new positions for their clients. So please don't be like, oh my God, the market's crazy. It's not. It does this every 3 months. Look up quadruple witching if you want to sound like one of those cool kids, like, oh, I know why the market's crashing. It's quadruple witching up in here. That's what it's doing, shawty. Oop, SPY. I like the audible because I don't have to keep looking at it. Can y'all hear it? Hope so. All right, so just be careful around 660. What is this? 660 667 and 667. It should get to that next order block, guys. Remember, this is a 90-minute chart, so let's see. It still should be okay. It's got enough momentum, I think, to push down. At least to 667. And remember, IWM is always available. Man, I'm telling y'all, I was like, about a year ago, I was like, man, I'm a master SPX. I really feel like if you can master SPY, man, you could, boy. And then if it start being choppy, just look at it like it's a vacation. Like, oh, this is a day off. Okay, but CVX. Black bar Sade. Oh, I'm glad you like the Delta Cumulative. Let's go. It is amazing. I ain't gonna lie. It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm like, bro, say less. Let's give it a go. And then when it flips on you, you'll see the candle where it turns green and you'll be like, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. I might want to get out. Hmm. So next week, most likely, guys, it's going to be calls on SPY. So if you have enough money, you can do a TQQQ, you can do IWM call. Most likely, it'll do that too. Yeah, I saw some guy developing on a Lux Algo, but I was like, let's see if ChatGPT can do it. So I just tried to figure it out. Yeah. See. And what's crazy is I think that these bars are like delta bars. Like I don't think they're like regular bars. I think this is like really how heavy it is. See it flip? Wow. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little blown. So that means that this particular candle is flipped. And then if it flips back, then it means it'll keep going down right under the level. This is why levels are important for anybody listening. You can't do anything without a level if anyone's listening. And I don't know if you are, but I hope you are. Hmm. See what it's doing. So the higher time frame is the 4 hour, and it's still red, where the lower time frames have flipped to green. So this would be like, don't get in a put. Just don't do it. Just let it cook. Don't get in a put. Let it finish what it's gonna do. And if it flips back to red, then it's like, okay, maybe we can get back in it. Also, what's the 50% line of this? 50%. And see, look, it bounced off right to 50% line on the level. So it might be done, but I still think this it's 2.9 million here. So it may pop back by the end of the day, but wait for it to be red. So if you like this cute little situation, I'll publish it. I'm still testing it out, so it's not published, but you can try to find you another one if it's there. But I'm still working on it. I like to back test it before I make it public. So you guys get to see it first. So let's see how this plays out on Spy. And look, there goes IWM. So right now, XLE, Oxy, all of the all of the oil people. See now that the Spy is going up, oil's coming down. Let's see, Oxy. Oxy might not be. Yep, red bar on Oxy, but still green on the 240. What's Bank of America doing? It keeps calling it BAC, but it's about to hit the Keltner level. Higher time frame is red. So I have it on the 15-minute, the 60-minute, and the 240. Jeez, all of these tanking so far. So far was supposed to be a good one. Ugh, I got cooked on that. I just knew so far was going to 25. It was cheap though, but still, I don't like being cooked. Oops. Now, typically, Spy is going to have to bounce around a few times before it does a full on change. The news just came out. It says stocks are falling per usual. I wonder if it's about to flip. I'm watching it on MES on futures, just turned red on the 1 minute chart. Let's see if it flips red over here yet. That's really funny. That's so funny. So fun. Mm, mm. Waiting for all three reds to get back in if you want to do a put. Waiting for a flip. I like that. I do. I really do. Um, or settings. Waiting patiently to see what we're doing. Oh, let's look at Oxy. Y'all can win with oil. Y'all can win. And again, if this is going up, what does that mean? SPY is probably going to come down. That's the rule. That's the rule, guys. I don't make the rules. I just try to follow them. Tesla falling. Hold on. Oxy looks so good. Tesla till about 399. Deltas are all three. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let's go down to a lot time. I'm looking at this. Let's see what it's gonna do. What's IWM doing? IWM. Baby, baby, baby. So fun. All right. What we doing? Yes, LA still falling. We're waiting for a flip. Tesla got two greens. So we like this. When this bar gets big, this bar gets big. That's like confirmation. So we're just waiting for confirmation, guys, per usual. It's 10:08. And as you know, it pulls back around 10:07. But it does still look like there are a lot of sellers down here. So we're just trying to figure out what is it going to do. Because you're always going to be looking for re-entry positions to add more positions. So when it flips, you're like, okay, boop. Mm, okay. All right. All right, Tesla get cooking. Your job is just to wait for a bomb setup. Okay. That's all your job is. Don't make it confusing. Just wait for a good setup and just think about it. If you get good, you'll make more than what you make it work for in an hour. That's the whole point. The point is to get so good you make more than what you make an hour at your job so you can be like, okay, I can get out of this situation if I want to, because you might, you know what I'm saying, really love what you do. And you might want to make some money on the side. That's all this is. That's all this is. It's just a way for you to make extra money so you can invest and not be broke when you're old. That's all. That's it. That's all we're trying to do. We're trying to make sure we can go on cruises when we're 60 and 70 years old and not working every day. Sad, you know? We want to have fun in our retirement age. You start thinking about that around 40 years old. Like, damn, I really need to get my life together. Something happens to you around 40 where you're like, I gotta get my life together. Going out and spending money on the wrong things ain't it. But hopefully you get out of that sooner than later. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. PLTR. Okay, PLTR coming back in the building. What's PLTR talking about? Oh, look at that. Okay. Delta does not lie. Oh my God. I'm really kind of bummed. Wow. Look at it. It's fighting with each other. They need to get over it. So PLTR is hitting the edge of the order block, but it's still green. Delta. It's hitting this line. Okay. Okay, now there's still a big space down here. Now I don't know if it's gonna flip, but do not get into calls unless it's above 671. And if you're gonna get into puts, wait till it gets closer down here. That's what we're looking at right now. It's right in the middle. So you just want to be careful. Mm. PLTR, shouty. I love PLTR. Definitely a fan fave. Very smooth price action. All right. I see a potential flip about to happen on Delta on SPY. Let's watch and see. It's potential. What are they going to do? It just hit the 200 moving average on a lower time frame. So that's going to say a lot if it's going to keep going or not. Let's see if we can watch it flip in real time. That should be so crazy. And if it flips, that's a good entry position. If all three turn red, like blah, blah, blah. I was playing with this last night, like, oh man, oh man. Let's see what we're doing. And let's see how I wonder I don't know, what is this? Stream one. Interesting. All right. The oil ones are coming back. Isn't that crazy? Oh, what is this? Let's see. Um, oh, there we go. All right. We got one Delta flip. Wow. And if the second Delta flip is real, oh wow, look. Whoop. I'm so blown by this. Hold on. Let's see XOM. Oh, we got Bitcoin also moving. If this one turned red, guys, it's coming back down for the long run. Let's see. All right. Let's see. So okay. Y'all, oil's pushing now. Oil's pushing. Futures, MCL for oil. Let's see what it's doing. All right, guys. The put pressure is crazy, and oil's looking good. Remember, when SPY goes down, oil goes up. XOM, ExxonMobil, Chevron. Y'all should be green in several areas of your life. I've done my job. Do you see? Oh my God. No, no, I'm just okay. Well, futures, we good. Okay. All right. Futures, I'm up 825. Let's get it so y'all can see what's going on. That is the futures trade right here. Waiting, looking at the delta. Well, okay. All right. So now we got two red deltas. Looking good. Whoop. Look at that. Guys, it is not playing. I hope y'all didn't fall for the calls like, oh yeah, it's going up. Mm-mm. That this box is really big, guys. Let's see. Damn, 900 up. Y'all, futures is it. I don't care what y'all say. Futures is freaking it. If you guys don't know how to trade options, y'all need to learn how to trade futures. It's so easy. Let me move it over here so y'all can see. This is where I entered right here. Look at that, guys. Look at this bar. Telling y'all. And look, this is the dump area, so I'm gonna go ahead and exit here. So if you guys struggle with options, go to Apex Futures and then get in that way because it truly is easy to get in and out of trades where you don't have the capital, but you just got to show some discipline for a few days and then you can get some payouts. That's my gym with M today. I do think we can still get down, so it's like kind of move. Um, here. Oh yeah, USOCVX. That means SPY. SPY gonna keep coming down as long as they pushing up. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, Bitcoin guys. Iron. All right, today's a great day. All right, so now we got two deltas on here. If once it goes to three, it's like really whoosh. Three deltas on oil. So this is what I was doing last night, back testing this, trying to see what is the best entry for confirmation and for adding extra um positions. And you really want to add when you see three, sizable bars, sizable. So I'm gonna go ahead and publish this today. And let me see if I can publish it now. 1 second. If I can publish it now, you guys can add it. I'm gonna call it top down delta candle flip filtered flip code. It's gonna take me some time because I gotta put a description and everything in it. So I will probably have it up today so we can add it tomorrow if you want to. See. I just think liquidity just flipped on there. Mm. Yep. XOM is still looking right. Let me go to a lower time frame. I think XOM could possibly get to 153. All right. Who's in green, guys? Yay. All right. I'm looking at futures ES. When futures flip all red, SPY gonna go crazy. Right now, there's only one red on Delta here. So we're just waiting. But SPY looks good. Waiting to see what it's gonna do. Hey, I follow this guy on Twitter named JLoc, JLOC, and I'm telling you, he's super inspirational for those who want to trade SPY. Like, just so you can see what you could do. And he works a regular job. He just trades SPY in the morning. And I think he's addicted to it and he loves it. And I love it too. And I love it for him. I want y'all to have good addictions in life. If you're going to have them, have some good ones. All right. All right. So it just flipped to all three deltas on ES. And remember, SPY follows futures. So whatever ES does before SPY, that is going to happen. So right now we are full on red delta on ES. So let's see if SPY is going to come down to its area. IWM, XOM going up. Y'all should be in green for real. Shout out to everybody in green. Shout out to those who are scared. I pray y'all get over that soon. You don't be scared if you drinking alcohol. You know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding. I don't know if anybody drink alcohol. I'm allergic. I'm allergic. So I'd definitely be scared if I drink alcohol. I'd be like, what's gonna happen to me? Oh God. All right. All right, I think we here. So we're getting close to our first little take profit level, guys. Getting close. Getting close. Damn. Damn. What you talking about? I'm telling you, ain't nothing like trading, man. Ain't nothing like it. You know, y'all watch that movie, it goes domino, mother. That's how we feel. All right, I wonder can Spy get past? Can it get here? Is it 667? Come on, it's fiddling around and it's under this order block. That would be crazy. Cute, cute, cute. All right, can we get there? Let's see, look at the deltas here. Hood. It's on hood. Can we get down to 667 is the question, guys. If that, then 665. Oh wow, look at those deltas, guys. That's heavy. Heavy. Heavy work. Heavy work. See, that's where the puts is really coming in. Can it sustain it? Remember, it's about levels. Puts are coming in on flow. It's just got a little bit more. It can make it. 665 would be the ultimate push. Puts coming in on QQQ. All right. Let's go. Let's go. All right. If we can go ahead past that, then we looking at 667, 700. All right. EXO, as long as XOM is pushing y'all. SQQQ just popped in for the Bulls. All right. See, man, I don't know about you, but y'all better pray before y'all get up in here. You know what I mean? Pray before you get in the market. Just tell you, God, just give me patience. God gonna show us all the cues, all the little breadcrumbs to where you supposed to go, what you supposed to do. Thank you, God. All right, Delta's still kicking on ES. Nothing flipped yet. Still all red. Trying to see if it's gonna close down below 667. Right, it's flipping back. XOM is still kicking. So that means it's not it's not completely cooked yet. Okay, Oxy coming in, XOM. Let's see, go back to it. All right, so look, it's touching the order block. If it pushes back up off the order block and comes back down, this is where we're looking at going. But it's gonna bounce in some of this area here, so y'all gotta see how it's gonna play. Bitcoin cooking. All right. Okay, guys, we'll see what it's gonna do. What we say? 66760. If it pushes down past that, XOM still moving. What a day. What a day. Spy is just giving money out. Printing, printing, printing. Phew. Printer press. Use these deltas to help you get in. If it's all three, it's like, okay, we don't even got to worry about it. If it's close to the zone, all three. See? Zone, levels. Can I stress this enough? But people who be struggling with trading, I already know you don't fool levels for real. That's real talk. Like if you ain't mastered that, you gonna be like, what indicator? Nah, F an indicator, dog. What are your levels? Stop it. Stop it. Please. Don't be the indicator nerd. Cause this can be like this all up and down in here. But if it's by zone, that's a big hint that it could continue to push. Right? So you just want to watch what is it doing at the zone? What is it doing at the zone? Let's see. You gotta wait. When it approaches it, you're like, okay, it's approaching it, and then you gotta be careful. So you waiting to see confirmation is crossing below and closing below the zone. I want y'all to be the best traders y'all can be. Real talk. I do. Whatever that looks like. I want y'all to be so good at it. Like, oh, it's not even at the zone. I don't care what it's doing. I don't care what it's doing unless it's at the zone. All right, be careful. XOM is starting to turn red, guys. That's not a good look. So be careful. Just be careful. It means take profit if you have not already taken it. Let your runners run. XLE is pushing, so that means energy is still going up. That means there's still hope for SPY to keep pushing down. Let's go to another time frame. We're looking at here the next time frame close at 667.52. With the VWAP here at 667.30. You know, y'all, I want y'all to win, man. I want y'all to win every day. Yeah, I think we're gonna keep our Delta on here. This is gonna be the home of the Delta flip. What? We're gonna wait for a Delta flip to come down. Delta flip. Back in futures. Let's go. Another entry. You see the bar, the Delta bar is getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. It's growing. Whew. Can we get past this? Can we get down? All right, we're gonna see if it's struggling. What's our next move, guys? All right. Still Deltas going down on ES. Palantir did some announcement with energy. Look at Palantir going bonding with energy. Okay, Luke. Just looking at you. All right. All right. Struggling here, guys. Let's see what it's gonna do. I think we got, let's go back. See, we still got this potential here. This is a big box, guys. Big area of selling that it can fill probably by 12 o'clock. Oh my God, why am I so out here, guys? All right, so that was that. We had a great day. I gave y'all a little extra, extra. I think I was just blown. Anyway, I'm excited for you guys. I hope you guys get some profit because clearly it was a put day. All right. Okay. Hopefully y'all got that. And if you were an energy player, you should have got green on energy. All right. Well, I love you and I'm tapping out and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Peace.